morning. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I am gonna show you a makeup tutorial for beginners. So, let's get started. So, hey guys, first of all, you have to wash your face perfectly with any kind of face wash. And then you have to moisturize your skin. So, now I am going to apply base. You have to apply it gently and in a dab motion like this. You have to apply it all over your face and especially on the underneath area. And don't forget to apply it on your neck. So I am applying as least amount as possible because I don't want my base to be cakey. As you can see guys, my base is done. Now I am going to apply compact. I am applying it with Beauty Blender and that's gonna give it a very good texture. You have to apply it similarly as the base. And don't forget your under eye area. My compact, that is face powder, is done. Now I am gonna move on to my eyebrows. For eyebrows I am using my kajal brush and I haven't applied anything on that brush. It is pure vacant. As my eyebrows are rolled, so I have to apply it very carefully. So now let's move on to our eye makeup. So I am using this palette. So now take the brown color from your palette and make a cut crease here like this. Take the white color for your outer corner. I am taking this color. I'm going to apply silver glitter. So my eyeshadow is done. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So my eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to apply mascara. So our mascara is done. Now I'm going to apply kajal. My kajal is done. So let's move on to contouring. Now you have to blend it. Contouring is done. Now I am going to apply blusher. So for applying blusher you have to smile. So now I am going to apply my most favorite makeup product, that is highlight. You can see its glow on my face. So now apply lip balm. So now for final touch I am going to apply lipstick. As my lipstick is done, so I am going to apply makeup fixer. So as you can see, my makeup is done. So that's my final makeup look. And guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.